Welcome back for another episode from my Tesla Robotaxi video series. In this episode, episode 19, we take a ride from Oracle headquarters and we go close to my hotel. If you remember from the first video, I could not select my hotel as a pickup location, nor could I select it as a drop-off location. So the nearest location that I could pick is a place called Santora Villas, maybe about a half-mile walking distance away from my hotel. So that's where I had to navigate for us. So it's my real only issue that I experienced in this whole ride is not being able to pick the desired drop-off location, which is technically in the geofence. So I hope Tesla fixes that. Aside from that, this is a pretty straightforward drive, even at night for Robotaxi. So as we approach this intersection, you'll notice that there's actually a pedestrian in the crosswalk. You can barely see him. However, the car picked him up quite a ways away. And I just want to call this out because I keep hearing that LiDAR is needed for autonomous vehicles. Yet here we are at night in poor visibility, and yet the camera system does a great job picking up pedestrians and whatnot. So again, after my rides in Robotaxi, I'm less and less convinced that LiDAR is needed. If anything, I'm more convinced that vision only is the way forward for autonomous vehicles. So we're getting close to the end of this ride, but we are going down some relatively tight residential streets, mainly just because of parked vehicles. However, as you can see here, FSD does a great job navigating around those vehicles and then getting over to the right as soon as it's clear to do so, just like a good human driver would do. So the ride's coming to an end here. We do see a cameo here from another Robotaxi. Pretty cool to see. However, we do have one last right turn to complete here, and then we'll enter a turnaround area at the drop-off location of Santora Villas, and you'll notice here the car does a great job of entering it. So a left turn here, and then it will stay to the right and kind of go around a little bit and drop us off right by that door, as a good driver would do. So again, very uneventful ride for Robotaxi, but hopefully this is a good example just to show you how driving was with it at night. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.